Hey you guys, it's your girl AngelEyez Butterflies with another video. I know I haven't been on for a while, but I am back and up and running. So today I am doing a Japanese taste test on 2 candies from Japan, as well as a drink and 1 Greek yogurt bar that I've never tried ever before. So they are made from kusagi. One is watermelon gummy candy, and the other is strawberry flavored. They also had a green tea as well as a chocolate, but I didn't get those, so I'm just going to try these 2. I am going outside of the box, trying in different countries, and I don't like gummies, so we're going to test the strawberry first. They do smell like strawberries. They have like a little sugar powder on them, I think, but that's what they look like. They look like Vitafruit gummies. Okay, here we go. This, I'm sorry. This is a no for me. You give me a paper towel, please. I'm so sorry. This is a no for me. I'm not a gummy person. I think that's why it's a no for me. It does taste like strawberries, but no way. I will not be putting these back in my mouth ever again. They are, they have 0 calories for fat, and they have 2 grams of protein, and the calories are only 140, but no, I will never eat them again. So I don't even know if I should even try the watermelon ones, but I'm gonna try them because I bought them for the video, and it go outside of the box and try something different. But that gummy, no, I'm not doing it. This really tastes like, smell like watermelon. Another gummy again. As you can see, it has like a pink lemonade color to it, as you guys can see. And I did put them in the fridge because it's kind of hot here where I am in Maryland, and I didn't want them slimy, but here we go. No, I'm not even gonna play around. It smells just like watermelon. It has a teeny weeny bit of a taste flavor of watermelon, but I don't like gummies. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have bought this, y'all. Both of them smell and have like the strawberry taste, so okay. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Okay, so 2 down, 2 to go. So I'm going to try this Greek yogurt bar by Clio. It is a United States Greek yogurt bar. It's the first time I ever saw this. And I purchased all 4 of these items from a grocery store here in Maryland called Wise, W-E-I-S, Wise Supermarket. This has 140 calories also, but But it has 8 grams of protein, so that's another reason why I got it. And it's also wrapped in chocolate. So it looks like a Klondike bar, but it's actually yogurt. So I'm gonna try this. I hope this don't disappoint me, because I love yogurt. Oh, this is so cute. All treat, no eat. No, oh, all treat, no cheat. That's a cute message from Miss Cleo. All right, so let's see what we got. So it is, my chocolate broke. Okay, so it is a chocolate like Klondike bar. Let's see. Here we go, y'all. What in the world is this? I don't know what I picked, y'all. This is horrible. I'm so sorry. This is probably the most complaining video I've ever made in my life. This is nasty. It's gritty. It's absolutely horrible. I only spent 99 cents for this, so I'm not gonna complain. But I can't even do it. I can't even eat that. That is horrible. I'm so sorry. My assistant just had to get me some water. And these are the waters that I drink. Voss. So, I'm sorry, but I need a water break. This has been a mess. This has truly been a mess. Unbelievable. So, 3 down, 1 more to go, and I'm still not smiling about anything. This is not good. All right, so the next thing I got was this, it's a carbonated soft drink. I'm scared to even drink, from Japan, too. And this is made by Kumara from Japan. There is supposedly, y'all, a ball that's in this drink. What the ball is about, I couldn't tell you. I don't even know why there's even a ball inside of a beverage, period. So, it's warnings on the bottle. Do not swallow the green opener. Keep out of reach of children from remove marble from the bottle. Might cause injury. It might cause injury. Then why is it in the bottle? I don't know. Do not store product in the car. It could blow up in the car. So nothing's going to blow up in my car. But this is dangerous, I think. It's telling me that it's all dangerous. But I'm still going to try it. I'm going to try it for y'all. Okay, so it's telling me to pull this plastic off. Oh, God. What in the world is this? Pull the plastic off and then do what? Is that the marble? Look, y'all. That's a real marble. At the very top of the bottle. Oh, I'm scared. Oh boy, I'm really scared. Okay, so green piece. It came off. What do you mean I'm supposed to do with it? Am I supposed to keep it on here? Is that what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Oh shit, I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do. Let me forget.
Oh, push down.
Push what down?
That's it.
Push down? Okay. So I gotta put this green top that's on the top of the plastic over top of the marble and just push down. Is that what it said? Oh no, this is not working. Oh no, I don't know how these people do this. We're gonna pause for a moment because I gotta figure out how I'm gonna open this bottle. This is terrible. Okay, so we're back. I took a look at how to actually do this top. So I had to pop this off. There's a little pop out button. You have to take that out and put it over the top of the marble with napkins, so you don't get showered with the soda. If you have to do all this for a soda, then you don't need the soda. You should not have to put napkins all over the top of your soda, so you don't get no soda shower, as they say. This is a hot mess. Alright, so I put the little tab over top of the marble, and then you cover it, and then you push it Did y'all hear that? The marble just fell to the bottom. And there's the marble. This is good. Yep, it's good. It doesn't have a strong strawberry flavor, but it's good. It's probably really, really good when it's super cold. So yes, out of 4 things, only 1 yes. So out of a scale of 1 to 10, this I would give a 7. These are getting nothing. Their friends are getting nothing. And Miss Cleo is getting nothing. So this is the end of this video. I've only had 1 good review out of 4 things. Oh, and as you can see, here's the marble shaking at the top part of the bottle, and it will stay there. Okay, so love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you thought this was hilarious, because I really thought this video is the most hilarious, because this was a hot mess. I'm gonna finish drinking this soda. Talk to you guys soon.